Join me as we talk about why vinegar can be better for your laundry than fabric softener. Most of you know that fabric softener can leave buildup on your clothes. These chemicals cause our clothing threads to expand, which makes them feel soft. However, do you know that using vinegar is an all-natural and more cost-effective way of getting your clothes soft and making them smell fresh? It is. Simply add a half a cup of white vinegar into your washer in place of your fabric softener. The vinegar's acidity will remove all the buildup that both your fabric softener and your liquid laundry detergent have left on your clothing. The vinegar actually removes all of the stuff from our clothes and the fabric that makes it feel scratchy on our skin. Also, adding the half a cup of white vinegar during your washing cycle will help your clothes feel soft and smell fresh. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for daily DIY and organizational videos. Also, give me a thumbs up, show me that you liked this vid, and share it with your friends. Thank you.